Hello YouTubers, Manny here with part 2 of part 1 of this sliding trash can holder to go underneath the sink. I felt like I cheated you guys, so I wanted to do a quick video just to give you an update on see how it looks and see how it functions. Now I'm still gonna update it a little bit, because what I'm gonna do is on the side right there, on this corner and this corner, and also on the opposite side, I'm gonna put some gussets there, just to give it a little added strength, because I noticed that when I pulled on here, there's a slight give. I don't know if you can see it, just a little bit, but just to make sure it stays, more sturdy, because you never know. You get people coming over here, some people don't know how to work things, you know what I'm saying? And they'll probably just try to yank it out, and then, I don't want them to break it on me. And I know you're probably thinking, what a cheap bastard. No, this is all like stuff that I have around the house, you know what I'm saying? All the stuff was free. Didn't cost me nothing. Not even the screws, because those are leftovers from other jobs. But anyway, without further ado, like I said, it's easy to push in. Close the door. Everything's good. All right. Open the door. Pull on the top. As you can see, slides right out to exactly where it needs to be. And that's pretty much it. You know what I'm saying? And then also what I'm going to do, I'm going to sand it down some more. I'm going to take it out, sand it down, and then put some, polyethylene finish on it from Minwax. And that'll give it a nice look. It's not going to match the cabinet door, but that's okay. At least it's going to retain the original wood grain finish. So, and there it is. All right. Now I can tell you this part right here took multiple cuts. It's better to cut too small than cut too big, right? So, but it came out, and like I said, it looks good. I'm happy. And there you go. Once again, guys, thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe if you haven't done so for more on upcoming videos, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks. Take care. Bye.